right here.
Let's go, Brooks!
On the ball, Brooks. You got it.
Get up to that plate.
Grover Brooks! Come on, here's the ball. Alright, boys. I'm about to give up on this. I cannot get this thing to show the second inning. Alright, so it's bottom. 0-1. Enter. Inning. Second bottom, 0.
Go, Coach Jeff. Nothing by you.
Runs in inning.
Slow him down, Jeff. Take it, let him take
Runs, okay. Runs bottom. No. Zero. Puta madre.
Slow him down, Jeff.
But keep in front.
Runs. Zero.
All right, Jonathan, here we go.
Austin, down on 2.
It's on center.
Nice throw, Landon.
It's really bad. I mean, it's a foot and a half.
Now batting, number 22, Colton Martin.
There we go. There we go. Kings, baseball ready.
Pop up, Landon.
Tackle again.
Looking good back there, buddy.
Number 11, Elijah Mooney.
Ay, Titi me preguntó si tengo muchas novias. Muchas novias. Hoy tengo a una, mañana otra.
You're doing great, Jonathan.
Let's be smart about it. Same side, let's go.
Good pitch.
Just wanted to make sure. Just wanted to make sure.
There you go.
¿Ah? Porque, papá, no sé cómo manejar mierda.
Good pitch. Great pitch, Jonathan.
Okay. Vamos a trabajar.
Two down, two down.
Now batting, number 2, Jason Rodriguez.
Runs in inning. Okay. Enter.
Good
Runs in
pitch.
top 0. Enter. Runs in bottom 0. Enter. Set runs in inning.
Attaboy.
Yeah!
Good job, Alexander. We play next game. He's that far. Plus he gets next game. Hey, Greg.
Greg! Greg!
You saw it? You see it?
About the mount?
Yeah.
He's doing gas right before his own, so.
Okay. So were they.
Get butt out, buddy.
Now batting, number 13, Jonathan Kraken.
She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said don't mind, but what do you mean? I am the one who would dance on the floor and around.
I'm doing something.
Sorry, I'm gonna see. My phone keeps dying because of the heat.
There you go, Jonathan. Way to be aggressive. Doing great,
You want to
buddy.
put some water?
Got this.
You know, I'm just trying to get a shirt or something to stick over it.
Relax, Jonathan. Take a breath.
Anything close. You got this.